Hello students, let us learn today the De Morgan's theorem. Many times ये theorem exam में पूछा जाता है और many students fail to write. So let us learn in this video this concept, what is De Morgan's law, how it works, learn somewhat technique how to remember, and also learn in which sequence you can write. So let us have this De Morgan's theorem. De Morgan have given the two theorem to solve the Boolean expression. First is a plus b whole bar, or what we are getting is equals to a bar into b bar. Second one is a into b whole bar is equals to a bar plus b bar. So here you can see first theorem में आपको सम के बारे में दिया है, सम को कन्वर्ट करेंगे प्रोडक्ट में, और सेकंड में प्रोडक्ट दिया गया है उसको कन्वर्ट करता है वो सम में. सो ओके, सो लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड द फर्स्ट थियरम, दैट इज a plus b whole bar equals to a bar into b bar. So what you have to write, first you have to write this first theorem, then you have to write the logical statement, उसका डेफिनेशन जो हम अभी समझने वाले हैं. उसके बाद आपको LHS और RHS दो एक्सप्रेशन के लिए वो लॉजिकल फिगर सर्किट्स बनाना है, और उसके बाद आपको ट्रूथ टेबल से प्रूव करना है कि हाउ LHS एंड RHS इज सिमिलर. ओके, सो लेट अस लर्न दिस स्टेप बाय स्टेप. फर्स्ट इट्स योर स्टेटमेंट. सो व्हाट दिस स्टेटमेंट सेज टू यू दैट द सम ऑफ द वेरिएबल, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, सम ऑफ द वेरिएबल, सॉरी कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ सम ऑफ द वेरिएबल. Sum of the variable, let us say a plus b plus c. What is ABC? These all are the variables. So complement of sum of the variables. यहाँ पे मैंने ये sum दिखाया तो उसका भी complement. Okay, so this one is equals to, what it means, the product of there means individual variables complement. Suppose ये variable है तो individual complement a bar, b के लिए b bar और c के लिए c bar. So product of this variables complement. So here the sign is into. So it's easy to remember. Let us have the next one. Okay, so first let us have the logical circuit for the LHS. So a plus b, it's a OR gate and complement of this OR, so that is a NOR gate. Let us have the truth table. So first let us, how many variables we have, that is a, b, a plus b and a plus b whole bar. Okay, so here we can understand that 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1 and 1 plus 1, 1. Now we have complement of this. So here it's a 1, 0, 0 and 0, that is a plus b whole bar. Okay, now the same way let us have the RHS. So RHS means a bar into b bar. So we have first this a and we have used NOT gate to complement this to get this a bar. Again we pass b and we use NOT gate to get this b bar. And we have the into, that is a product term. So we use this AND gate. Now let us have this truth table. So which variable we will have, that is a, b, a bar, b bar and a bar into b bar. Okay, so here you are getting a, b, that is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So a bar, reverse of this a. So 0, 0 we are getting 1, 1 and 1, 1 we are getting 0, 0. B and b bar. So reverse of this, 0 is 1, 1 is 0. Okay. Now a bar into b bar. So 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0 and 0 into 0, 0. So this proves that LHS is equals to RHS. So we can use a bar plus b whole bar is equals to a bar into b bar. So this way you can write your first theorem. Okay, so let us have the second law, that is a into b whole bar is equals to a bar plus b bar. So let us first understand the logical statement. So what is a logical statement? अभी हम अपने आप से भी बना सकते हैं. That is complement of what? Complement of what? That is the product of variable. So a into b into c, this is the product term. So complement of this product term is equals to sum of a plus b plus c individually complemented variable, that is a bar in plus b bar plus c bar. So हमको sum करना है, पण किसका sum? Individually complemented variables. So we can easily write the definition. Now next we need to add the logical circuit. So a and b, we have a into b whole bar. So with the AND gate we will get a into b, and we are just adding this not at the end. So we get a into b whole bar. So if we talk about the variables for the truth table, what is the third step? Truth table. So a, b, two input variables, a into b, and fourth one is a into b whole bar. It's very easy table. So 0 into 0, 0, 1 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0. But if we have one possibilities, that is 1 into 1, we get the result 1. So now complement. What is the complement of this one? So 0 will now 1, 1, 1 and 0. So we have done with the LHS. Now let us prove with the RHS. So यहाँ पे हमको draw करना है logical circuit A bar. So we will pass first A, and to make this A bar we will have this NOT gate. Again for the B we will get the NOT gate. उसके बाद A bar plus B bar. So for this plus sum we will use this OR gate. Now let us prove it with the truth table. So we have this A variable, B, A bar, B bar, and A bar plus B bar. So here we can see this A bar and B bar. So if we do the addition, what we will get? 1 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, and 0 plus 0, 0. So this way you can prove that LHS is equals to RHS. So this way in the exam you can first write the theorem, then you can write the logical statement, and then you can write this logical circuit and truth table. So with the help of truth table we can prove that LHS is equals to RHS. But make sure in the exam, if you are asked with the first theorem, then you have to write the previous one, that is A plus B whole bar is equals to A bar into B bar. But if it is asked second one, you have to write this one. If nothing is mentioned, just written that explain the De Morgan's theorem, you have to write the two of this.